Squeeze a lime into this mixture and see what I do with it. Its power will surprise you. Grab a bowl. Pour in 1 capful of fabric softener. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It has strong disinfecting and cleaning properties. Next, squeeze the juice from a whole lime directly into the bowl. Lime is rich in citric acid, which effectively dissolves limescale and removes buildup. Now, add 8½ ounces of water and mix thoroughly. Pour the solution into an empty bottle, preferably one with a cap. Your natural cleaner is ready. Pour some into the toilet and let it sit for a moment so the ingredients can work their magic. Then, scrub as usual and watch how it cleans and disinfects effortlessly. This DIY cleaner saves money and helps create a healthier environment. Add fabric softener to vinegar, and the results will surprise you. Start with a bottle of vinegar. It removes grease, limescale, and other stubborn stains. Add a capful of your favorite fabric softener to the bottle. Shake well to mix. Next, take a large bowl and pour in the vinegar softener mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap for enhanced cleaning power, and mix again. In a small pot, boil 250 milliliters of water with a generous amount of cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Once the clove water cools, strain it into the bowl with the other liquids. Pour the final mixture into a container with a dispenser using a funnel. This homemade cleaner is ready to tackle your bathroom, removing limescale and deposits while leaving surfaces shiny. It's also perfect for cleaning countertops and sinks. Add a splash to a bucket of water for mopping floors, leaving them clean and refreshed. The mixture not only eliminates greasy stains and limescale, but also fills the room with a pleasant, fresh scent. It's a simple, affordable, and effective solution for your cleaning needs. This trick will change your home. If you think your cleaning products are effective, wait until you see this method. Prepare a large jar. Take a laundry capsule with your favorite scent and color. The capsule effectively dissolves grease and dirt while leaving a beautiful, long-lasting fragrance. Add the capsule to the jar. Now, for the lemon. It works as a natural cleaner that enhances the liquid's power. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly into the jar. Also, add the peel and leftover fruit. Pour hot water over everything, leaving some space in the jar. Stir everything well. Close the jar and let it sit for an hour to allow the mixture to fully activate its cleaning power. After that, prepare a dispenser bottle, preferably with a pump. Pour the liquid into the container, and it's ready to use. Your all-purpose cleaning liquid is now ready. Use it for cleaning kitchen counters, tables, sinks, and faucets. It effectively removes dirt and grease. With this simple recipe, you'll create an effective, fragrant, and eco-friendly cleaner. The unpleasant odor coming from your toilet bowl will disappear immediately. You'll finally get rid of the smell from the drains once and for all. Here's what you need to do. Add a tablespoon of sugar to a bowl. Pour in warm, but not hot, water. Then take about half a block of fresh yeast, crumble it, and add it to the sugar water. Mix everything thoroughly. The yeast will dissolve, forming a milky mixture. This means the yeast is reacting with the sugar and is ready to use. Pour the mixture into the toilet bowl and leave it overnight, or at least for a few hours. Unlike chemical cleaning agents that may temporarily mask odors or damage pipes, yeast is a natural and safe solution. It works without harmful chemicals, supporting natural decomposition processes to eliminate the bad smell. After the set time, clean the toilet with a brush and flush. Your toilet will be clean and fresh. If you have dried yeast at home, it works just as well as fresh yeast. Simply follow the same steps, using an entire packet of dried yeast. This mixture will also remove the unpleasant odor. If the smell returns, simply repeat the process and pour yeast into the toilet again. The toilet seat has hidden buttons. Thanks to them, you'll get rid of contaminants and those yellow urine stains. When you're tidying up the bathroom, cleaning the toilet seat is always problematic. Dirt accumulates not only on the seat itself, but also underneath it. in the area where the seat is attached to the toilet. Here, you can also see yellow stains, and this is a hard-to-reach area. You'll soon learn how to clean such a seat. The stains will disappear. Everything will be clean and disinfected. Cleaning the seat from time to time is easier under the shower or in the bathtub. Then you can easily clean it. You can even scrub the nooks and crannies underneath the seat. If we remove the seat, we can also clean the place where it attaches to the toilet. It's impossible to do this on a daily basis. Only after removing the seat will you notice how much dirt there is here. And if you also remove those metal covers, you'll be even more horrified. But how to remove a toilet seat? It turns out that every seat has buttons that allow you to do this. Depending on the type of toilet, these can be 2 separate buttons like here. Each one at a different attachment point. Sometimes it can be 1 button in the middle. See how easy it is to remove the seat when you press them. Now all you have to do is take it under the shower or into the bathtub. Dissolve a Correga tabs capsule in a bottle of water. It's the best product for cleaning yellow stains on the toilet seat. Correga tabs destroy bacteria, whiten, and remove discoloration. This is all your toilet seat needs. With this spray, you'll also clean the place where the seat attaches to the toilet. Just spray it and everything comes off. The toilet will shine. The yellow stains and dirt will disappear in a few minutes, and you'll enjoy a clean toilet. The yellow stains on the toilet seat will disappear within minutes. The toilet will be white again without using harmful detergents. Do you have such stains on the underside of the seat? Many people struggle to remove them. They form due to the deposition of urine and water droplets during flushing. Urine stains the seat, and the limescale formed by the water can initially be invisible, then gradually take on a slightly yellowish color. If you clean the toilet and seat with strong detergents, its surface may be damaged and more susceptible to various stains. But there's a trick to it. Just make a homemade paste. The stains and discolorations will vanish. The toilet will be white again. This method saves me in such situations. I don't have to replace the seat with a new one yet. Take baking soda and pour it into a container. Add some hydrogen peroxide to it, just enough to create a paste. Mix it. It's best to use an old toothbrush for this. It's perfect for applying this substance to stains. The baking soda and hydrogen peroxide paste should be thick enough to stick to the stains. Leave it on the toilet for about 10 minutes. During this time, the baking soda and hydrogen peroxide will dissolve the stains. Then just remove everything, wipe it with paper, and you're done.